Welcome back to my channel Msquare Tech. Today's video I will discuss about a live sound card which will be used for Starmaker and Smule apps for singing live song. Here I will show you. Here is a Karaoke V8S live sound card, comes with a dual DSP smart code for arithmetic processing of various complex sound effects. It supports Bluetooth to play audio device. This live sound card features 6 kinds of sound modes, 12 kinds of sound effects, and 12 kinds of electronic sounds. It is made with a professional electronic sound adjustment system. However, this sound card has 6 kinds of sound mode, 12 kinds of sound effect, 12 kinds of electronic sound, LED indicator to control adjustment, support Bluetooth to play audio device, built-in preset warm-up special effects, easy and quick option to warm up, professional electronic sound adjustment, choose the right sound for yourself, microphone volume controller, reverb volume controller, control keys, which is bass controller, treble controller, audio controller, trap controller. If you like sing a song for social media like Starmaker and Smule, you can choose this sound card for live streaming. I hope after watching this video you will give a like for this video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.